my, that's not good. Hi, good day. Hi, do you mind if I fly again here? Alright, thank you very much. Okay, so I just got here again, asked the manager, and there seems to be less water here, so that's good. Less chance of damages, so yeah. Okay, so I just crashed, which is not very good. Okay, so after reviewing the footage from this partially wrecked, still working GoPro, I conclude that it was definitely because I was flying too low and hitting the wall at a low spot, and I hit a trailer, so that wasn't very good. But otherwise, I'm pretty happy because this time I'm actually hitting these wall bunks, and yeah, what happened this time is that I'm pitching back a bit more, so I'm actually not hitting it with the front arms, but hitting it with the whole entire bottom of the quad. So yeah. Okay, so this is the second crash, and this time I don't know where I crashed. I crashed somewhere on the other side, so that's all I know. So far, I've broken a prop this crash, and I've torn out the GoPro mount, so we have to remount that once I get home, and I've lost a screw there, so that's not good. And yeah, I guess from now on I'm just gonna play it safe. Okay, so I somehow managed to jiggle out like 3 screws out of one arm, so yeah, this is what happened. 3 screws out of one arm. Actually, that one's still there, but it's not a complete screw, so yeah, I guess this is the end. Cue outro.